wish in the snow. It was a cold winter's night in a small village of Frostville. Snowflakes gently fell from the sky, covering the ground with a thick blanket of white. The villagers had all stayed inside, warming their homes with cozy fires and mugs of hot chocolate. But one young girl, Lily, wasn't inside by the fire. She was outside, standing by the old oak tree in the center of the village, watching the snow fall. Lily had always loved winter. The quiet beauty of the snow, the way the world seemed to slow down, made her feel peaceful. But this winter was different. Lily had one special wish, one that had been in her heart for a long time. She wished for her family to have enough food and warmth to last through the long, cold months ahead. Her parents had been struggling, and Lily felt the weight of their worries. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and whispered her wish into the snowy night. I wish for my family to have what they need to be happy and healthy this winter. As soon as she spoke the words, something magical happened. The wind around her seemed to swirl, and the snowflakes began to shimmer in the moonlight. Lily looked up, and to her surprise, a soft, glowing figure appeared before her. It was a small, gentle snow fairy, with wings like delicate ice crystals. "Hello, Lily," the snow fairy said in a voice like the sound of bells ringing. "I heard your wish. You have a kind heart, and your wish is special. I will grant it, but there is something important you must do." Lily's eyes widened in wonder. "What do I need to do?" The fairy smiled. "You must share the magic of the snow. Help others, give warmth and kindness to those who need it, and your family's wish will come true." Lily nodded eagerly. She didn't hesitate for a moment. "I will help. I promise." With that, the fairy touched Lily's hand, and in an instant, she felt a warm, glowing energy inside her. The fairy's wings fluttered, and with a swirl of snow, she disappeared into the night. Lily ran home, feeling the warmth of the fairy's magic in her heart. The next morning, she woke early and decided to start her day by helping the people in her village. She made sure her neighbors had enough firewood for the cold days, shared some of her family's food with others who had less, and offered to shovel snow from the paths of the elderly. Every act of kindness filled her heart with joy, and every person she helped smiled and thanked her. As the days passed, Lily continued to spread kindness, and soon her family's situation began to change. The villagers, touched by her generosity, came together to support Lily's family. They brought food, blankets, and firewood. It was as if the entire village had been touched by the magic of Lily's wish. On the night before the new year, Lily stood again by the old oak tree. The snow had stopped falling, and the world was quiet and peaceful. She closed her eyes and whispered, "Thank you." And as she opened her eyes, she saw the soft glow of the snow fairy once more. "You did it, Lily," the fairy said with a smile. "Your kindness brought the magic to life. Your family will always have what they need." Lily smiled, feeling warmth in her heart even though the night was cold. She had learned that the true magic wasn't in the wish. It was in the kindness and love we share with others.